Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this Magic Feather Intense Volume Mascara from the brand Ditto to try out. And this is a sample size. It's one of the products that I got in my October 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag, which I have that whole unbagging video up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. But I was excited to get a mascara. I love trying out different mascaras. So this is cruelty-free and vegan. And it makes all of the claims that I look for in my mascaras, which I'm very picky with my mascaras, but this is supposed to give great volume, definition, length. So I'm excited to try this out, see if it lives up to those claims. First, let's see what this wand looks like. Ooh, interesting and a little different. It's a spiky silicone wand, but it's kind of curved because on one side the bristles get shorter in like a curved way. Wow, this is definitely different than what I've tried before, but it seems very promising because I love a spiky silicone brush and I love a curved wand. So let's go ahead and see how this is on my lashes. It is a little bit tricky to use. I'm like, do I want to use the curved side, the flat side? I feel like I want to use almost like the back of the curve is actually going to be a little easier because those bristles are longer. But it is applying a nice amount of product, so right away the lashes are already looking a lot more volumized. It's a nice dark black color. The lashes are staying separated still, staying defined. So this is a really great first layer. It's getting a little messy with some on my eyelid here. Ooh, but it seems to brush away without smudging, which is awesome. Let's see how this wand is on these lower lashes. Using the curved shorter side is actually really nice and easy for these lower lashes to coat them all and avoid getting the mascara on my under eye. So now I want to see if I can build up this top layer. I like the wand, but actually using it is just a little bit more tricky, so it's not my favorite wand. The mascara is doing a good job of sticking at the base of the lashes, but the ends are looking bare. So trying to tap on the ends and get it to stick there for more of a lengthening effect, but the lashes are starting to stick together, which I don't like. I like them to stay separated and defined. So another reason why I'm not a big fan of this wand because now I feel like I can't keep layering because the lashes are just sticking more and more together, which unfortunately means that I'm not a big fan of this mascara because I really don't like when that happens. And you can see like the lashes just really stick together. They start to look so spidery. I'm so glad this doesn't smudge. But because now the lashes are sticking together and I can't really get much more volume, this mascara is just okay. I kind of like it more on the lower lashes. I did get a little onto my under eye, but it's so easy to remove, which is so nice. There is some little bit of curl, but the volume, the lengthening, just unfortunately is not happening that well. Let's see how it is on the other eye. I do really like the lifting effect. I feel like that's one good thing to this wand is I'm really having to like push the lashes up with the wand to brush through. So it is giving that curl and lift a little bit. But that's kind of the only thing that I think is super redeeming about this. And well, I will say there's actually no clumping, which is another nice thing. So there are some good qualities to this, just not enough that I love it. My use for this is really probably going to be these lower lashes because it's so quick and easy to get those lower lashes with this mascara. It's pretty much just like I can't layer it up. So I could use this as my first layer of mascara, but then I will probably just need to use a different mascara to layer it up and get more volume. A mascara that doesn't make the lashes stick together. So, I mean, my lashes don't look terrible. They just don't look as good as my standards are for a mascara. But so if you've tried this out, of course, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.